In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Bitwarden vault. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it easy for you to securely back up your data whenever necessary. To start, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden website. Bitwarden is a reliable password manager known for its robust security features. Once on the homepage, look for the Login option, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on that link, and a new page will prompt you to enter your credentials. Ensure you type in your username and password correctly to avoid any login errors. Once you've successfully logged into your Bitwarden account, you will be directed to your main vault screen. This page is your hub, showing all the items you've stored securely within the Bitwarden environment. Among the options available on this page, locate and click on Tools. It's often in the navigation menu, allowing you to access Bitwarden's various utilities and settings. From the Tools menu, you'll want to navigate to the Generator option. Though not directly related to exporting, being familiar with this tool is beneficial as it aids in creating strong, unique passwords for enhanced security. However, for today's task, we'll continue by moving to the export process. The next step is probably the most crucial. Under the Tools menu, you'll find the option labeled Export Vault. Click on this to proceed to the Export Settings page. Here, Bitwarden provides several options for exporting your vault. You'll typically be able to choose between different formats like CSV or JSON, depending on your preference or specific needs. CSV is widely used and can be easily opened in spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, whereas JSON is preferred for more technical applications. Before exporting, ensure you're aware of where you want to save this file and understand the importance of keeping it secure, as it contains sensitive information. Choose your preferred format, and the download should begin almost immediately, providing you with a copy of your vault for backup or migration purposes. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Bitwarden vault. Always remember that while exporting is convenient for data backup, the security of this file is paramount. Store it safely, and preferably in a secure location, to prevent unauthorized access. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video where we dive deeper into maximizing Bitwarden's features for your cybersecurity needs.